you're tired of carrying one of these beasts around, I got the perfect solution for you. This is from PUNCUBE, and this is the Mech Wallet, and I got the aluminum 6063 Wasteland Abyss, and I also get the bifold module, which is an option. You don't have to get that if you don't want it, but I kind of want to carry some cash around just a little bit, just in case. But pretty much modern times, do you carry cash? Pretty much every credit card. So you basically need your driver's license, your insurance, maybe a credit card, and maybe something else. And that's what this is great for. This actually will hold 5 credit cards. And of course, it comes in a nice presentation box. And this also does RFID blocking. So if you're worried about people scanning your cards when you walk by, kind of a great thing to have. And you can see here's the little clip. And you can clip this on if you want. It's kind of got some double-sided tape. I'm going to use the bifold module, so I'm not going to use that. But you can put it on the back if you want to. And you can see here's the wallet. And how this opens, you just give it a little slide, just like that. And I'll put some cards in for it. And this actually does hold cards really snug. It does hold 5 cards. So we'll take our cards, we'll stick them in here. You can see they're not going to fall out. Definitely not going to fall out. Give it a little slide, just like that, and all your cards come out. So nice and simple and easy, and kind of poke them back in. But a nice way to carry some cards. Going from this to this, big, huge difference. Easier to carry. You can put this like in your front pocket if you want to. Going to be a lot harder to steal, so you just kind of slide it open. Just like that. Take the card out that you want and do what you got to do. Put it back in, and they don't fall out. And it's very, very well built. Like I said, this is the aluminum one. They do have a titanium one if you want that. I went with the aluminum one. And I'm going to show you the bifold module. So mine did come with a little screwdriver because there's 2 little screws you're going to use if you want to put the bifold module on. I'll get that out. It's kind of like a nice little leather module. And what this does, if you look on the back here, there's 2 little screw holes. You can put this on there just like that, and then you can pop it open. And it's magnetic. Got some little magnets in there. So if you want to put a little bit of cash in here, close it up, you can do that, or put another card here. Gives you a little more option. So let me put this on. It does come with a couple little screws. You get extra screws too, so if you do lose one, you're okay. Actually 4 screws. So let me put this on. I'm going to show you the bifold module attached. Okay, so I put the bifold module on. It's got a nice leather type feel to it. And it doesn't make it much thicker, but you can see when you pop it open, it's got a little bit of money in there. You can put probably other cards or something in there if you want. But I think the main purpose is to, if you want just a couple bucks in here, fold that up, put it in there. And that way you can carry some cash with you. And then if you need your credit cards, just slide it open. And you can do this one-handed if you want. But it's kind of almost like a nice kind of fidgety, if you're a fidgeter, you're going to really enjoy that a lot. Definitely beats carrying a big old wallet like this around. Makes a huge difference. And for me, I pretty much do everything with a credit card, but sometimes you do need a little cash, so you might want to get the bifold module. But if you don't, you can just put the little money clip on here, a little clip on there, and you can use that for clipping on money or clipping it on your belt, however you want to do it. But I'm really impressed with this company. You want to check out their website, PUNCUBE, and they make a lot of different items, and this is just one of the many wallets that they make. And I thought this one's kind of really nice size and kind of perfect for me. But check out their website. I'm sure you're going to find a wallet that's going to fit your needs and something that you really enjoy. So check them out.